Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix set time zone automatically is grayed out on your window. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button. Now let me show you the error. If I click on time and language, click on date and time. Here you will find that the set time zone automatically is grayed out, so I cannot enable or turn this off or turn this on. Now how will I'm going to fix this? Now the same thing, you have to click on the privacy and security on the list of options on the left pane, the one with the shield symbol. And here scroll down and you will find app permissions. Click on location. Now we will find location services. So simply enable the location. And also for the apps that needs to access your location, you can also enable that from here. You just need to turn the button on. Now let us check. Let's go back to time and language, date and time. And there you go. Set time zone automatically is not grayed out. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.